We're going to start off with the sunrise in Dolby Vision, and then we're going to switch on over to video mode. As we switch quickly over to video mode to capture the sunrise, we're going to start our video and start to add ND filters. This is like a natural, the first filter. This is like a vivid, the second filter. This is like a chrome, the third filter. This is POS film, the fourth filter. This is neg film, the fifth filter. This is CC film, the sixth filter. This is 4K cinema filter and portrait mode. And we're going to use this to show and demonstrate on TikTok and what the video will look like. As we start to pan to the left with the arm, the hand, and not the joystick, just to get the shots you can see in the distance, the train and all. As we pan on back, we'll start to capture the sunrise that we started out. That's just at the top of the opening of the clouds. Hey, I'm Fish. We're shooting today with a number of shots, and we're doing that in cinema mode, the ND filter. We have the sun rising, and we caught it at the beginning. And we are going to start to switch on over to a couple of filters during the ride and have a little talk down the road. We'll take a little different path this time with the camera and show you what we see. It is a Insta360 Luna Ultra. It may be something that you may or may not want. It's quite an expensive camera. In the distance, we have not a flock of seagulls. We have a whole bunch of you got it. Pigeons being fed. Is it easy to see? Can you see it? Am I on the right spot? Was it easy to get and show? Not easy for me to try to zoom in at 12 and adjust. I'm on like a natural. And I changed over to show you. Yes, indeed. So let's get on going. Let's listen to some of the waves. You're listening to the waves with the Mic Pro on no noise canceling. What we're going to do is shut the mic off. Natural sounds of the camera. As we ride on off the pier, which is a comfortable composition board to a wooden board. If you hear the boards clanking underneath the feet, I am vibrating on the boards. And I'm not going super fast, but you get a nice, smooth and fluid, controlled gimbal doing its job. The Thunderbolt used to be the roller coaster here, wooden. Now is the Thunderbolt a different coaster altogether. We'll ride on down and show you where Nathan's, the hot dog contest, will be. As we're pulling to the right, hopping on, we're gonna cut in over here and show you Nathan's. Nathan's, frog legs, hot dogs, no more an American hot dog company. And here we are, the world's famous Nathan's. We're just holding the camera ergonomically in the hand and riding by. We swung around and we're gonna pull into the back way and go over here where we started off. Remember the movies? FBI, the Warriors, oh yeah. We changed off of natural vivid to chrome. Sometimes it's hard for me to see those words in the wrong colors for me. I wish we had a choice of putting our own overlay colors on. Grab a chair. The Wonder Thrill Wheel. Landmarks. Hardly here anymore, but you still got the big wheel. Oh, I remember coming over here, going on the rides. There it is, it's inside the park. The good old classic. You got it, spaceship. I can't remember the name of it, so let's zoom on in. Oh, we got the fence in the way. Let's get in real close. There we go. That is awesome. Right there. Let me pull back till you can see that I'm hitting the chain links away and I'm concentrating on the chain link. And now it switched on over and it did correctly. Continuous focus is what I stay on for now. I'll switch on over to product focus, product showcase. And not on this video. This is called pause film. We'll capture the train. We'll zoom in on the train. 3 times zoom. We'll get real nice and close now. I know one of the questions somebody's going to be asking, what happens after you finish taking the video and stop it on full zoom or any zoom? It stays where it's at. You have to manually set it back. You don't have the option for it to go back, but shut the camera off. It will reset back. We have the Grand Prix ride, getting checked out and inspected, and the lights are on. I have to go up just to keep it centered. I don't see those lights flickering at all. And we have the Cyclone being painted. Get a little close-up shot if I am on the person painting. And there we are. We'll pull out to give you the shot of the Cyclone and its drop. If I am focused correctly, I am not. We'll see the ride going around. We are on positive film and defilter. I'm not going to go through every single one, but I will switch on off and go back to cinema, the one that I like. I'm laughing at myself because I got a camera that I could have taken off the controller and hold it in hand and done all that right here, but not doing it while recording. That's the thing. There are a lot of things you can and cannot do while you record. You can change a couple of things, I guess. I guess I could go in there and maybe change the the EV value. So let me do one thing here. Taking off the controller, and it's warm in hand. I'm able to do one of these bad boys. Woohoo! Flip around and get back on me. I'm able to track. I'm able to put a mark in the video while recording. You can see the overlay. I have a 1x that I could hit for 2x, but I won't be able to get back unless I zoom back. And if I swipe over, I can't do anything on either side, up, down, anyway. So I don't have what the DJI Pocket or the Extra Muse can do. Swipe over and adjust your EV value. But I can do, you know, things remotely. What's your option? Would you want to have a remote control that you could step on back and do face tracking right then and there by hitting the face tracking and hit the start, and then I could get up and I could walk around and see if I'm there. If I want to get into the rule of thirds, I would have to just hit the right one, and there we are. And I'm able to walk around and get my face tracking, what I want. There you go. And for me, I don't really see it there, but it's there. I'm at the edge of the camera, and the camera's looking that way and not at me. So let's get on going, get on out of here, finish up my vlog. I spent enough time talking and all. It's great that you get the sky so you can see the definition and all in cinema mode, 4K 30. What's that on my glasses? I think that was a ladybug. I couldn't see. I was trying to get it up there so it could be focused. Well, I'm Fish. It's been a pleasure. Time for me to get on out of here. I'm going to put you away and ride out for another day. And on that note, I'll see you on the next video. The Insta360 Luna Ultra.